Can we reset WhatsApp encrypted password? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, we'll try to figure out if we can retrieve or reset WhatsApp encrypted password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing, open up your WhatsApp. Now on your WhatsApp, if you head over to your settings, and on your settings, if you head over to chats, you will see an option called chat backup. If you head over there, you will see an interesting thing, that is end-to-end encrypted backup. Now, what this does is it adds another layer of security, which will protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. Now, this is a really important, or this is a really secure way of backing up your WhatsApp's data, which uses a password or an encryption key. So no one else will be able to access your backup. So whenever you turn this on, you will need to protect it with end-to-end encrypted password. You'll need to have a password, and right here you will notice that it gives you a warning. It says if you forget your password and lose your phone, WhatsApp cannot help you recover your backup. So if you create a password or use a 64-digit encryption key, you will not be able to retrieve the data or the password if you ever lose your phone or in case you forget your password. So as it says right here in the warning, you will not be able to recover your encrypted password. Now, this is what WhatsApp says. Now, if you go to your WhatsApp's help center, it says the same thing. Now, you cannot actually get back the password, or WhatsApp cannot do anything about you losing the password. They cannot retrieve it, so the data will just get lost. So I hope this answers your question that you cannot reset or retrieve your encrypted password. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.